All right, we are going to be smooth sailing for the rest of the evening, so if you want to hang out at the backyard, anything like that, you're good to go. But then we're looking at some rain chances once we get past midnight. So before sunrise, past midnight, we are looking at some thunderstorms pushing in New England. The question is, how far south do they go? So let's go over the possibility of severe weather threat. This is going to represent the probability, so it's much more likely New York is going to see some of these severe wind gusts potentially, and for Massachusetts and Connecticut, it's going to be less likely, and in fact, Massachusetts has a higher likelihood of picking up those thunderstorms as well. It's possible that some of those strong thunderstorms go into Connecticut, and that would just be for those northern counties, if anything. This is only one model projection, and there are multiple outcomes that could be possible, but as you can see here, New York and Massachusetts picking up some rain at this point, 11 o'clock in the evening. That's going to happen no matter what, but then after midnight, we look at some of these rain and isolated thunderstorm chances. So this model actually dragging its feet quite a bit. So by 5 a.m., bringing in some of those isolated showers and thunderstorms to Connecticut and for western Massachusetts. And whenever we see one of these reflectivities in future satellite radar, that's a Boeing segment, so potentially it could be some strong winds with that. So again, that is probably going to be closer to Massachusetts or New York, but potentially we do see some of those stronger thunderstorms into Connecticut before sunrise for tomorrow, which is good. So a lot of us you may hear some thunder before you wake up on Monday, but otherwise we're looking at a gorgeous day on Monday because all the rain is going to be mainly before sunrise. So we're looking at skies clearing rapidly for tomorrow. Beautiful day, warm and sunny on Monday, up to 84 degrees, so great above average temperatures. We'd like to see that, more 80s, getting some late summer weather. Tuesday, cooler start. We're going to be in the 50s up to 79 degrees, and some isolated showers are going to be possible after dark into Tuesday and Wednesday. Some isolated showers are going to be possible as well. So all things considered, just not that much rain over the next 3 days. Here's a look at Tropical Storm Nicholas. It may briefly become a Category 1 hurricane as it hugs the Texas Gulf Coast. The main threat is going to be flash flooding. That's going to happen between Texas and Louisiana, regardless if it's tropical storm or hurricane status. And that's going to be over the next couple of days. And no matter what, this should really kind of dissipate and get pushed to the south of us. So we're really just not expecting that moisture to have an impact on our weather in any sort of way. But it is a pretty big storm as of right now. Tropical storms have a big area. So although we're not seeing those hurricane storm force winds right now, it is quite a big storm, but we're actually more interested in what's going on near Puerto Rico. So that group of thunderstorms is going to make its way to the northwest. So eventually we could get some tropical moisture on Thursday, and potentially in the next 5 days, this does become a tropical cyclone. So we'll be watching that. But as of right now, it is just something that we're interested in watching, and potentially it could become Tropical Storm Odette. So Nicholas just got named, and Odette, and then after that is going to be Peter and Rose. Looking at our satellite radar, we got mainly clear skies over the northeast right now, and really not too many showers right now over the Great Lakes, but it does look like there was one severe thunderstorm warning across Michigan, and eventually we'll start to see some more activity across New York. Temperatures right now, we're in the 70s and 80s, 82 degrees in Hartford, and we'll see those wind speeds continuing out of the southwest at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. That's part of the equation. Those winds should be able to kind of block that cold front to the north of us pretty good tonight. 79 degrees in New Haven right now, and we're looking at a nice evening in Hartford. A little bit of a haze out there. It's not just the humidity, but we're actually seeing a little bit of some smoke aloft above 6,000 feet, so no impact on our air quality, but you can notice the western wildfire smoke in our skies. 67 degrees for the overnight low in Hartford, and we'll see 80s for tomorrow, impressively 80s along the shoreline. Look at our 7-day forecast. We're going to be up to 85 degrees once we get to Wednesday, and our rain chances are going to start inching up on Wednesday, and then particularly on Thursday and Friday. So as of right now, Thursday looking like our most likely chance to see some widespread rain. And looks like this weekend should be nice. So even if we get a bunch of rain on Thursday, it looks like things should mellow out for this upcoming weekend.